Let me show you what I learned to speed up the process of putting this drywall back up, and maybe you can do a better job at it than me. Let me zoom in on this. Here, you'll see what I did. So the drywall was cut out, just like that. So what I did was I took a piece of plywood, like this, and I put it across the back, and I screwed it in through the drywall, which gives me a flat surface there to push against. And then over on this side, there's actually a wall stud. Most receptacles will always have a wall stud on one side or the other because that's what holds the receptacle in place. So if you have a receptacle, you'll know there's a wall stud on one side or the other. So the wall stud was over here, so I took another piece and I screwed it into the side here, leaving another flat surface. And what that allows me to do is just to take the piece of drywall and put it right in there, so I don't push it all the way through the wall, of course. It sits right in there. And that is the hard part, really, is getting that drywall flush. So with all of that backing I have created there, what I now have is a flat surface. And I'm going to take some of this patch and primer here. You can use anything you want. I just didn't want to buy a whole bucket of drywall mud for this. And it takes a couple applications, just fill in those cracks right there. And I have a smooth surface here, so I don't have any knockdown or anything. So that's how you do it. Create a false back, and then obviously put a screw in here and a screw in here. And make sure you countersink these screws just past flush on the drywall, so that when you put your whatever you put over, I mean, like I said, I'm using a patch and prime. Whenever you put that over it, it can be nice and smooth. So that's an easy, fast way to fix a hole in your drywall. A booyah.